quilt block that, I got that upside down. A quilt block that I'm learning from the Quilted Cow, and doing this is harder than I expected it to be. Just trying to keep everything straight and going in the right direction. So I've made one quilt block already like this, and it came out fine, and my points aren't exactly what I'd like them to be, but it looks okay. Now it's trimmed, and all I have left to do is put the black binding on it. We'll see how it looks when it's done, but I really like the decorative stitch in the ditch stitching. Okay, got the binding done, and I think it looks pretty good. Picks up all the black. Not as beautiful on the back of it as it is on the front. Still has a lot of threads that need taken off, but it's not bad even on the back. But this is only my third piece that I'm doing, so I'm getting there. This is practice, but it's not so bad that I wouldn't give it away. I think it's pretty. I think I like it. I would keep it if I decide it goes with my kitchen, my dining room. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave comments and let us know what you liked about this video and what other things that you'd like us to make videos on. Please subscribe, it helps us a lot. We're trying to build a community of retirees and crafters and people who can connect. So we very much appreciate you being here.